Let's draw the structure for butanoic acid. This OIC here and acid here tells us that this is a carboxylic acid. Every time we have a carboxylic acid, the first thing we do is we write down COOH. This is something we need to memorize. Now, when we draw the COOH, we end up with this. Now, the first CO here, the first carbon and oxygen here, is right here. They have a double bond between them. And then this carbon is also bonding with this oxygen here, but there's a single bond here. And then that oxygen is bonding with the hydrogen here. There's also a single bond here. So this OH is right here. Okay, now we have our COOH drawn in. Now we're going to work on the parent chain. So but right here tells us that there are 4 carbons in the longest carbon chain. This AN right here tells us that this is an alkane, meaning that we only have single bonds between carbons. Okay, so let's draw the parent chain. And a trick to draw this is that you always count till 1 less than the number of carbons you want to draw. Okay, so let's do this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so once we have our parent chain drawn in, we are just simply going to connect our COOH with our parent chain. Now, the carbon in the COOH is always the first carbon. This is our second carbon. This is our third carbon and the fourth carbon here. So this is the structure for butanoic acid. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.